I'm going to show you how to paste text. Click on the red ed icon here. And the biggest thing to remember when you're pasting text is that you use this paste as plain text option. So for example, if you have content from your old site or usually from like a Word document or a PDF or something, when you copy the text, you often copy the styles with it. And the CMS already has everything built out for you. That includes font, color, size. And so when you paste the text in with styling from Microsoft Word, it confuses the CMS. So I'm going to copy some from here, and I'm going to paste it in here without using the paste as plain text. I'm going to update text. And so as you can see, it's a different color, it's a different size. It's just kind of, the CMS didn't quite know what to do with it. So that is why you're going to paste as plain text. And that's going to be wherever your cursor is. So we're going to click on the icon right here. I'm going to paste it in. I'm going to hit OK. So as you can see, when you do it that way, the CMS strips out all that extra styling. And so it brings it in as normal, which is paragraph text. So now if I do update text, then you can see it's now the same size, color, the whole thing. And then from here, if you'd like, you can always style it with different headings if you'd like as well. So if you wanted to give this a heading 2, you could do that. So just remember that whenever you paste something in from a different location, always use the paste as plain text, which is right here.